In this video, I'm going to show you how I removed a broken key from a keyhole. Tools that I needed to remove the broken key from the keyhole was a can of WD-40 and the smallest screwdriver from my Stanley screwdriver set, which was a 1.4mm flathead screwdriver. This will be used to wedge the broken key out of the hole. First step is to spray some WD-40 into the keyhole. This will help it slide out easier when you get your screwdriver in there to try and wedge it out. Then the next step, use your 1.4mm screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, to try and wedge it out. To do this, you just stick it in alongside next to the broken key and then apply pressure to try and flick it out. And that's how I removed the broken key from my keyhole. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.